If you're looking for a beginner routine to tone and tighten your abs, then this is a session for you. Join me for a low-impact way to boost your energy, improve stability, and awaken your core, all while entirely seated in a chair. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a side reach variation. Begin to alternate reaching one leg out to the side as you reach overhead, lengthening through your side body. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize, working through the front, back, and sides of core while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, extend and reach through your right leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach and extend through your left leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, working through your obliques. Release and go ahead and step your feet back to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, lean forward halfway, keeping your core engaged and your spine long. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, cinching in all the way around your waist, using your core to stabilize this movement. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Exhale, lower your arms halfway as you lift through one knee. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue moving at your own pace, making sure to exhale on the exertion as you draw your abs in, squeezing and contracting through your abs, working through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding a toe touch. Inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, reach opposite hand to leg. Continue flowing from right to left, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling your core strong while stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. Continue here or cross your right leg over your left, gently pressing your left arm into your right leg, using it as added leverage, aiding your left side body in coming around to the right, deepening this twist. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Continue here or cross your left leg over your right, gently pressing your right arm into your left leg, using it as added leverage. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.
Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.